Happy New Year with this.
Same to you.
I would like to propose a vote of thanks speech for these who worked very hard to make this day enjoyable and memorable. First, I would like to extend our heartfelt Miss Geeta Sharma for her enjoyable for this. Lastly, I want to thank each of you for your participants and your presence made this one memorable. Thank you all for your speech. Thank you.
કોઈ ક્લેપ કરો ને હાથ ન લગા
अब ये